behind us without his open.
Yeah,
Now he has his
about to do brake test. Come on, Josh. Jesus. He doesn't ever want to race anybody.
He doesn't.
Literally doing less than 30 miles an hour right now. Oh god.
John! With too many people in this car. YOLO. No, don't do it. I see him now. There's a cop. We would kill all of you. Uh-oh, looks like we're turning. They might be. John John's is kind of weird. He decides to race in awkward spots. I would follow him.
Mustang!
They're so fast.
Woo!
Mustangs! You might have to do your little launch control.
Oh my god, there's so many.
Do it. Do it, you're not done. Oh, we're so cool. Everybody else. Sir, we have launch control, you don't. And you're a GT. Why is he so obnoxious?
You're obnoxious. You're not a Mustang. Go away, bitch.
You're not fast. Tell me we'll pull in, John John. Josh, no. Oh, no. We're so cool.
Oh yeah.
Rolling deep with the Mustangs. There's the crew. The car wash crew. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Mustang! You're not down to stay right behind them. It's a red light. I don't think they're gonna go.
Did you just freak out, Josh?
It's always gonna hit me. What the fuck, man? What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? You didn't even like. No, we're not racing you. You're too slow. Watch out for this idiot.
My third gear pull?
That was third gear?
Yeah.
Watch out for this. No! Oh god! You're like right with them in third gear. Watch out, the awkward Fox bodies are slowing down. hard to see their cars. God, that Mustang is so slow compared to this Mustang. Josh, kill me. What gear was that?
Third.
What do you think they're in?
Second.
Smells bad.
Yeah, he shot out a shit ton of smoke.
Yeah, he did.
Like cats.
That was that John kid, huh? Do an actual pull with him. Just pass him. Do it! Hold on, wait for the light. No, do it really. Huh. What do you mean? Okay. He's waiting for these cars, supposedly. Ready? Mustang!
Still beat you guys in here for the go.
He's gonna be like, no, I pulled on him.
No, you didn't.
We had to slow down, there were cars.
Huh?
We had to slow down, there were cars. They're not slam into the back of a 300ZX. Put your hands up. We win.
We fully built my motor.
This sweet truck, we wanna race it. your shifts are? What? Roll? Roll. I don't know, he wants to do a roll, he says. Wish your exhaust leak was fixed. Fucking romping on him. Should we race Kelvin? Should we? Oh god, does Kelvin want to race? Oh god. You know, like their other friends followed us too? Yeah. He's basically the only one except for that gay SRT4. They're all behind me. That's funny. The way it looks like this place. Into the minivan? You want to race into the minivan? Because we'll beat you.
I don't know what you're fucking trying to do.
We can't go anywhere. Supposedly he beats John. That kid we just raced. There's a minivan right there. Where are we gonna go? Minivan. You want to go by